Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna look at the new
Samsung
Z Galaxy Z Fold 5.
That's right. Yeah, this is a new Samsung. The Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is actually the blue color that Samsung has on their website, which is pretty nice. We'll be taking a look at it. We've already opened this up. This is an exclusive color from Samsung, right?
Yeah, exclusive color from Samsung, everybody.
And again,
you're gonna like the phone.
Yes.
It's gonna look really
and
cool.
again, there's not much in the box, as you can see here. It just comes in wrapping here. I already unboxed it because I wanted to just get it up. There's a lot of videos of this phone, but yeah, again, nothing special. I think we already took a see. On this one, you actually get that black cable in there, so you don't get the. I believe the other one's the other one was white cable. So this one actually comes with a black cable.
This?
Yeah, this is just some instructions and things like that. And it does have a SIM extractor, I believe, somewhere in there. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. So you guys can see it there, just so you guys can put your SIM card in there. So we'll set this all aside. Again, no more chargers like they used to, remember? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't get that, but that's all you get. Very thin box, one cable, and that's it. So we'll set this down here out of the way, and then we'll take a look at the phone here. Again, this is a very nice phone. The color is excellent. As you can see here, it's very sharp. Very nice color. Once you have it in your hands, you'll be able to see how the colors and everything. It's actually like a flat matte finish here. It's like a glass here, and it's very slippery. So if you don't have a case, it is going to be slippery in your hands, right? I mean,
yeah.
You got to be very careful.
Yeah, because let me feel it. Let me see. Oh, it's like slippery. It's like
Yes.
slippery on your nail, but not on your hand.
Yeah,
it feels hard on your hand, but not on the nail.
Yeah, that's true.
It's just like this.
Very slippery there. But yeah, again, we'll take a look at this up closer here. The hinge part here is very nice. It's got the kind of like it's actually like a smoke color finish here. It's almost like a dark gray, but again, it's flat. Not flat, but matte finish again. Very nice color. And as you can see now, I'll show you guys. Now it's Samsung with the new. It seems like every time they come out with the phone, they actually not fix but improve the hinge part.
It's right? It's like fire only black color.
Oh, like
something
smoky.
like that.
Yeah.
Like smoky, but with no other color, just black. Like
that's
fire
true.
black with no other color.
You can see how thin it is. Hopefully the video can capture that. Yeah, it's very thin.
Don't forget mines too.
There's very 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 thin here. I'll show you guys here. Let me get this really.
Let's compare it to each other.
Yeah, we'll compare it really quick, so you guys can see here. See, before it kind of had the wedge. Kind of have to lift it up like that so everybody can see it. It used to have the wedge opening here. Now it actually has more of a flat. You see how flat that is now, which is pretty nice. Now that again, they've improved the hinge part of it and everything, right?
Let's feel like compared to that one.
Yeah, to the Z Fold 4. This is the 4, as you can see here.
Yeah, it looks like the same screen.
Yeah, basically, actually, it is. There's not much of a difference. You want to show these so we can put it up here?
Wait. Let me see. Oh wait, how do I go back?
That's okay. Just leave it like this. That'd be good. That way you can kind of like hold it really good.
Also, it shows what the numbers and the picture looks like.
Yeah.
Compared to each other.
So you guys can see, just you guys put it right here. You guys can see here, very close. They're all about the same. I mean, actually, it's not. It hasn't actually been any difference. I'll show you guys. This is the Z Fold 4 case. See, it fits in there perfectly, except for where the flash goes on there. That's basically the flash has been moved. So now it's up here. So that's the only difference in the case, but it actually fits. So anyways, let's go back into the phone here really quick. As you can see here, very nice finish here. Again, it's got the very smooth color. And what I like about it is actually they detailed that out around the lenses here. So very nice. It's got 3
And
cameras.
good thing they put like 3 cameras, like if there's 2 people and the bottom and the top can focus on them, and then the middle can focus on the thing you're sharing about.
That's right, yeah. Like if you want to do like a wide angle or like a zoom in, yeah, that's what these lenses are for. It's got more lenses.
Would you
there.
like to show them how you can bend it to watch? You
Yeah.
can do this, or you can do this. So you can be, I put it upside down. You can put it like this and
Put it right here so everybody can see you. Right here, right
yeah.
here. So,
And it's like someone can be looking at this one and someone can be on this side looking at this one.
yeah, and then
sides.
now with the hinge, it's actually it feels a lot smoother, the hinge, than before. Of course, in the past you could also also tilt it at different angles.
Wait.
Before, so they've, like I mentioned, they've improved that. But it actually, I don't know, just the smoothness. I don't know, maybe this other one's worn out on the Z Fold 4, but yeah, no. So, anyways, that's all I wanted to show you guys, just so you guys can see the color. If you guys were interested in picking up the blue color, it's called blue. These are the only exclusive colors, right? They have at Samsung.
Did you know what I just noticed? You can look at the picture from here, and you know where to take a picture. You can look right here where you're at, and then you can start taking a picture right here.
That's right, yeah.
You can do a family picture on this one.
You can, and this Z Fold 5, it gets improved and everything overall. So yeah, anyways, this is it's just very nice color. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you get your hands on one of these, you'll see how the color. It's a matte finish.
It looks kind of blue to both of them to me, but this one's a darker blue and that's a lighter blue.
Yeah, that's the older one. Yeah, that was
Let's
on there.
compare size.
The size is the same size as you can see. It's got all the angles and everything. And this one has got this has more of a matte finish. You can see here. If you hold it at different angles, it just gives you that nice two-tone color with the nice edge of the black. Yeah, it's got a faster processor now with this. It's got the Gen 8, Snapdragon 8 with the Gen 2.
And you can
so that's
also
cool.
see on the lights, this one does have that little spot and this one doesn't. You can see, as guys can see here, that little spot doesn't go in the camera. This one's
that's
in
a
the
flash.
camera.
Yeah, the flash has been, like I mentioned, the flash has been moved from from both of them. The Z Fold, this is the Z Fold 4,
And they're in
and this is the
different places.
Yeah, that's kind of basically what they kind of moved out of the, from the older phone. But yeah, there's other than that, I really like that color. Right, it's very nice color blue. It's very matte finish. The only bad thing, unfortunately, since it's very slippery, some of you guys are pretty brave enough that would probably want to carry the phone without a case. If you want to put a case on this, let's say, for example, I put a case like this, it's going to cover up the nice blue color that you had, so you're not going to be able to see it. And also, if depending on the case you get, it actually will probably cover your rim or your bezel around it, so you no longer will see the nice black color of the actual phone, as you can see there. So yeah, it's very unfortunate. Of course, this case doesn't belong to this one. We'll do a review on some cases that are coming in. But yeah, you won't be. The only thing you'll be able to see is just the hinge part, the nice color black.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe it's something that this time I'll carry without a case. But again, it's very slippery. I don't want to get this one slide out of my hands.
Yeah.
But
it's like you can put it like. Did you know what I just noticed? This is actually higher than itself, because this goes higher than that.
But that's because we have that case under. See, if we take this back case off of it, I'll show you guys. It's all even. It's not there. It's all even. It's just the case.
Where's the other phone?
And again, we'll put that one away already.
Oh.
And again, it's very snappy. Everything is very quick, very fast. So it's the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is very good. I'll try to do another video of this. We'll do some other.
Works pretty fine. Everything works fine.
Yeah.
And
very
all
fast.
the settings are good. Everything. And if you had the same phone, this would be a really good video to help online. So yeah.
Yeah, so you'll be able to, do videos and pictures and everything like that. So yeah, hope this helps. I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys were thinking about picking up the, or wanted to know what the blue color from Samsung phone looked like. This is it. Again, I really like this color. Very nice. It looks great, right?
Let's put it like this. Which one's the one that was for this one?
Oh, none of these. These are the old cases. So
let me see one of them. I'll take this one.
Yeah.
Let's compare it to this and see how it looks with all of them comparing to that one.
Oops. We'll put those on there. We'll put that one away.
The colors are really different compared to both.
Yeah, these are all different cases. But yeah, so if you guys were interested in picking this one up,
it would really help you.
Yeah, hopefully this helps you guys if you guys were interested in picking up that blue color or were wanting to know what the color looked like, right?
Yeah. And we gotta make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up.
Yeah.
And hopefully we don't get a thumbs down.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try to hit 1,000 likes on this video.
Yeah, hopefully you guys can help us out. I really appreciate any subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. So,
and you can share this video with any of your friends.
Correct, yeah. Share it as much as you can.
Yep, share as much as you can and don't stop sharing.
Yeah, so once again, thanks for watching.
Bye.